Hello everyone, welcome to this detailed explanation of the schedules in the Indian Constitution. If you are preparing for exams like UPSC, law school, or just curious about how our constitution works, this video will break it down step by step. We will cover what schedules are, their definitions, purposes, key examples, and relevant case laws where applicable. Here, now let's see about the introduction to schedules of the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. It originally had 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules when adopted in 1950. But through amendments, it now has 470 articles, 25 parts, and 12 schedules. Schedules can be amended by Parliament through constitutional amendments, and they help in areas like administration, governance, and rights protection. For instance, if an article mentions as per the schedule, it refers to these lists. Now let's dive into each of the 12 schedules one by one with definitions, examples, and case laws. Here, the first schedule says about the names of states and union territories with their territorial extent. Now let's see about the second schedule. The second schedule says about the emoluments, allowances, and privileges of president and governors, speakers or deputy speakers of Lok Sabha and legislative assemblies, chairpersons, deputy chairpersons of Rajya Sabha and legislative councils, Supreme Court and High Court judges, comptroller and auditor general. Third schedule. Here, the third schedule says about the forms of oath and affirmation for union and state ministers, MPs and MLAs, judges of Supreme Court and High Court CAG. Fourth schedule. Let's see the fourth schedule. The fourth schedule says about the allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha to states and union territories. Here, the fifth schedule says about the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. The sixth schedule says about the administration of tribal areas in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. The seventh schedule says about the division of powers between union and states, union, state, and concurrent lists. Here, the eighth schedule says about the recognized languages of India. Originally, it's 14, but now it's 22. The ninth schedule says that about land reforms, abolition of jamindari, and other laws protected from judicial review. Here, the 10th schedule says about the provisions related to disqualification on the grounds of defection. The 11th schedule says about the powers, authority, and responsibility of Panchayat. And finally, the 12th schedule. Here, the 12th schedule says that powers, authorities, and responsibilities of municipalities. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe, share.